Hi everybody, this is Fuchs speaking. I'm from Sao Mai Center for the Blind based in Ho Chi Minh City. Sao Mai Center is a non-profit organization serving the blind people around the country. For more information about our organization, please visit our website at saomaicenter.org. The spelling of Sao Mai is S-A-O-M-A-I, S-A-O-M-A-I, saomaicenter.org. Today, I'd like to introduce you our new application, which just released several days ago. It is called Sao Mai Typing Tutor. This application runs on the Windows operating system. It's created with the hope to help the new computer learners to learn and explore the computer keyboard as well as improve their typing related skills. Besides, it also supports the teachers to manage and keep track of their training activities. Some of its main features, all the lessons are designed from the basic to the advanced level, and it's very easy to customize. With its explore mode, the users can press any keys on computer and explore what that key is. Um, the software also provide the speech output function. Um, this feature will read aloud all the information appear on the screen, so the users can use the application by listening to what it reads aloud and then interact with the application. Um, the user manager tool will help the teachers to create a group of their own students and keep track of their students' activities. The application is also designed easily to translate into other languages, or you can add the lessons for different languages for their own uses. Most of the activities of the Samai, not only activities, most of the services and products of Samai are provided free of charge for the blind people. Um, but for this application, we decided to sell this because we would like to generate certain income to keep maintain and add more features for the future release. However, if you are the blind individuals and organizations serving the blind people and have limited budget to spend on it, please feel free to contact us so we can provide you the free license for your usage. Um, each single user license to run on one computer is 14 US dollars. Um, Okay, now I will show you how to install and use the Summer Typing Tutor application. Um, you can find and download the Summer Typing Tutor on our website at summercenter.org/en. That is for the English version of the website. From there, on the main menu, you will find the software download link. Um, from there, you can find the Sao Mai Typing Tutor. Or you can just simply put um, some words in the Sao Mai Typing Tutor in the search form to search for it. Okay. Um, the software is already on my computer, so now I just go on and start the installation process. Okay.
Windows E. This PC items view multi-select.
Sorry, because I'm using the screen reading software. It provides the switch output for me, so I can use the computer because I am the totally blind. So I need the screen reading software to read aloud all the information appear on the screen, so I can interact with the computer.
D. Desktop documents. D. Downloads. Enter. Downloads items view SMTT. SMTT-18.0-setup.x. Use Enter. Open file security warning dialog. The publisher could not be verified. Tab. Always at tab. How can I just tab? Run button. Active space. Downloads. Items view multi-select list box. SMTT-18.0-setup.x. 2/27/20. Next greater button.
Okay, I just press next.
Space to continue. Click next. If you would like to select a different folder, click browse. Edit. See.
By default, the software will be installed in the C drive and the program files folder and Sao Mai and SMTT. So I just go on to press next.
Alt N. Select the components you want to install.
Select the components. It has different components. You can choose different components if you want to install based on your usage.
Tab. Preview Sao Mai Typing Tutor files. Check available. 1 of 4. To move through Sao Mai Typing Tutor files. Check user manager. English lesson files. Check Vietnamese lesson files. Check Vietnamese lesson files. 0.
Currently, the software support two languages, English and Vietnamese. So here, English lessons and Vietnamese lessons are the different lesson packages where the learners can practice and learn to improve their typing skills.
Tab. List back button to activate.
Let's go on with the next.
Alt N to continue. Click next if you would like to select a different folder.
This just creates the shortcut on the start menu.
Alt N. Install button to activate. Press space bar. Alt plus I.
Install.
Space 0%. Cancel button to activate. Press space bar. 100%. Setup is finished installing Sao Mai Typing Tutor on your computer. The application may be launched by selecting the installed icons. Click finish to exit setup. Preview configure Sao Mai Typing Tutor after installation. Not checked. 1 of 1. To move through or expand items, use the arrow keys.
Okay, now it's finished the install, and it appears it asks us to if we want to do some basic configuration at the moment or not. I check here. Okay.
Space configure Sao Mai Typing Tutor after installation. Checked. 1 of 1. Tab. Finish button to activate. Press space bar. Alt plus F.
Okay, and press finish.
Space. Options. Combo box. English. To change the selection, use the arrow keys.
Okay, it appears the options dialog. So by default, you choose English for the user language, user interface language.
Tab. Edit. /SMTT.SMTT.
It is the database where the application will serve on the specific users' activities like configuration for that user, the activities, the typing activities that user have done so far, something like that.
Combo box. No speech. To change the selection, use the arrow keys.
No speech. So I want to use the speech output for this application. So I choose some voice. Please, the application supports the SAPI compliant TTS from Microsoft. So here you can find on the voices installed on my computer.
Microsoft David desktop English left parent United States right parent. Menu.
Choose here.
NHMTTS voice left. Scan soft Jennifer underline 22 KHZ.
I might prefer to scan soft Jennifer for my demonstration. Okay.
Tab. Preview voice button to activate. Press space tab. Left right slider 50%.
This is for the speed. The voice reading speed.
Tab. Edit. /lessons. Type in text. Tab. Change dot button.
Lesson
Activate.
folder is the place that this application will serve the lessons.
Tab. Combo box. Silent. To change the selection, use the arrow keys.
Silent, that is the speaking mode as typing. That is use it if you use the read aloud feature when you type, the application will read aloud the characters or words you need to type.
Tab. Combo box. English. To change the selection, use the arrow keys.
English, that is the typing method, because we have different languages and each language should have different typing methods. For example, with Vietnamese language, we have like two typing methods that are quite popular. That is telex and verni. Okay, so I just choose English for my section.
Tab. Check errors. Typing checkbox. Check. Clear checkbox. Press
Errors as typing. If you choose this, the application will will wait until you key in the correct letter.
Tab. OK button to activate. Space. Downloads. Items view multi-select list box. SMTT-18. Alt F4. Desktop folder.
Okay, now the software has installed on my computer. Now I just go to the desktop and open the Sao Mai Typing Tutor.
Windows M. S type. S Sao Mai lesson. S Sao Mai user manager. S Sao Mai Typing Tutor. Enter. Sao Mai
The
Typing Tutor.
trial will expire.
Okay, at the beginning, if you do not register the license, it will give you a warning dialog that is your expiration will expire in your license will expire in 5 days. Okay, just press space to go in.
Choose a lesson English.
Okay, you hear the two voices speaking at the same time because one voice is from my screen reading software, and one lady voice from the Sao Mai Typing Tutor. Now I just quit the close the screen reading software, so you just hear only one, so it doesn't disturb too much.
Unloading JAWS. Quit JAWS dial. Enter. Sao Mai
Choose a
Typing Tutor.
lesson English closed.
Okay, from here, this main window, the focus will stay in the preview where you can choose the different lessons for your practice. From this window, you can press F1 to listen for the help. Okay, now I press F1.
Sao Mai Typing Tutor User Guide. Table of Contents, Introduction, Installation, using SMTT, Options Dialog, User Manual.
Okay, for the speech users, you can press Control to stop the speech. Press Shift to repeat the current control. For example, I press Shift to read again this one.
Sao Mai Typing Tutor User
Now I
Guide.
press
Table of
Control to stop
Contents.
it. Okay. And from here, the users, I can use arrow keys to navigate the user guide.
Open in browser.
In addition, you can also open the user guide in your default web browser, so you can from there you can have more options like because we will update more clips and some like visual elements like the screenshots. So from there you can easily to learn to explore the user guide, because within this window we just show the text only version of the user guide.
Close.
Okay, close.
Choose a lesson English.
Now from this main window you can press F2 to turn on the explore mode.
Press any key on your keyboard to start exploring.
Okay,
CTRL.
control is will read control.
Right CTRL.
Alright, CTRL.
Shift.
Shift.
Right shift.
Something like that, so it will read. And if you want to exit this mode, you press F2 twice.
F2. Exit Explorer mode.
Okay, and the focus will be back in the main window where you can choose the lessons. You press F5 to open the options dialog where I already showed you during the installation process. F6 to log out or log in with the different user account. But at the moment, by default, I mean, this feature is disabled. If this feature will be active when you add the teacher's account and the student's account from the user manager tool. Otherwise, it will not appear the login dialog for you. Okay, so F11 to read the information about the application.
Sao Mai Typing Tutor registered to version 18.0.0.0 copyright.
Okay.
Choose a lesson English closed.
Okay, and F12 to exit the application. Actually, you can also use the alternate F4 or click on the close icon on the screen. Okay. Now we start to explore some lessons here by pressing
English opened.
this the
English Vietnamese closed. English closed.
Press right arrow to open this English lessons folder.
English Introduction to the keyboard layout closed.
Okay.
Introduction to the keyboard layout. Lesson 1. Home row, right hand. Lesson 2. Home row, left hand.
Okay, now we are on the lesson 2 to learn for the left hand on the home row of the keyboard. For here you can press tab to read more information about this lesson. Okay.
Start lesson.
Start lesson. To activate this button, it will start the lesson.
Author Sao Mai Training Team.
Okay. Author.
Lesson title Lesson 2.
Lesson
Home
title.
row. Left. Description on your main keyboard. Find the third row from the bottom. This row is the home row.
The lesson description is something like the instruction that for that lesson So you can press F1 when you are in the typing section.
Text to type number vertical bracket, a vertical bracket has
text to type, that is the content need to type, because actually we have two modes, like we use the number sign and the vertical bar sign to separate different segments, so the application can randomly output on the screen for users to type in. And the second mode, that is the users must type exactly as what the lesson content is. Okay.
expected speed 40.
Expected speed 40, that is the characters per minute.
Expected point 85.
Expected point 85. That is we base on the percentage. So that is just the number that our training team proposed. You should finish the lesson with this expected point. Okay.
Lesson time, minute 2.
Okay, the lesson time, that is the total completion time that you need to finish the lessons, that is 2 minutes.
Choose a lesson, lesson
Okay,
2.
back to lesson. So now I press enter to start a lesson. Okay.
Press F1 for instruction, spacebar to start, Alt to pause, ESC to exit.
Okay, now I press spacebar to start the lesson.
D.
Okay, now the application start counting the time. Okay. D,
S.
S,
D.
D,
F.
F,
Space.
space, but I press S.
Space.
It will remind me need to press the space. S again.
Space.
Oh, it's not correct, so I need to press space.
F.
F. Okay.
D.
Okay, if I want to read for the lesson instruction, I can press F1 here.
On your main keyboard, find the third row from the bottom. This row is the home row. On this row, you will find two special keys with a bump on each key, the F key on the left and the J key on the right. Put your left index finger on the F key, then on the left next to it, put your left middle finger on the D key, your ring finger.
Okay, now I press F4 to hear again. F4 to listen to the current character that I need to type.
D.
D, okay.
S.
S.
A.
A.
F.
F.
A.
A.
S.
Okay. And
D.
D.
S.
S.
Space.
Space.
A.
Okay, so we move to the next lesson. Just temporarily press escape to escape from this lesson. Okay.
Are you sure you want to stop this lesson?
Okay,
Yes.
press enter.
Choose a lesson, lesson 2.
Okay, now I go to try to find some poems or song to practice. Okay.
Word building. Practice with tongue twisters. Practice with songs and poems. Practice with songs on my lap.
On my lap. Okay. Just choose this.
Press F1 for instruction, spacebar to start, Alt to pause, ESC to exit.
Okay, I press start.
On my lap, enter.
On my lap, enter. Okay, I will type.
Enter. There is a cap point, enter.
There is a cap.
Enter.
Enter.
On my lap, enter.
On my lap, enter. Now I will show you how to after you finish one string, typing string, it will read another string. So if you want to hear that string again, how do you do that? You can press F2 to hear the full string or the string. Okay.
On my lap, enter.
Okay, it read F2.
On my lap, enter.
On my lap, enter. Okay. Or you just want to hear the current word that you need to type.
On.
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 Okay, on.
Enter. There is a map point, enter.
Okay, so F2 is used to press to listen to read the whole sentence. F3 to read the word to type, and F4 to read the character to type. For example, now I press F4.
Cap T.
Cap T. Okay. But I forgot the word current word. Oh, I can press the F3.
There.
There. Okay, so T should be H. Now, I will turn to the different speaking mode, okay? By pressing F5 to switch different three speaking modes. The first one, the default one is the silent. The second one is the speak by characters, and third one is speak by words. Now I change to speak by characters.
By characters.
Okay, now
I
E
S
I S
space
space A
space M A P. Enter. Enter I put on my cabin to ride.
Okay, now I can change to the speak by words, okay?
By words.
Okay.
I put on my cap. Enter. Enter and put down my map point. Enter and put down my map. Enter. Enter now. It is time. Enter now. It is time. Enter. Enter to take a nap. To take a nap. Exclamation point. Date. February 28, 2018. Lesson name, On My Lap. Duration, 2:47. Speed, CPM, 43. Score, 1691.33. Correct percent, 98.33. Corrects, 108.
Okay, now it finished that lesson. So it will give you, it will appear the result window. So we can hear the total time that you complete the lesson, the average speed, that characters per minute, the score, and how many errors you make. Okay, so we can press escape to exit this dialog and go back to the main window.
Choose a lesson on my lap.
Okay.
I'm a little
Okay, so this is the brief demonstration. I hope that in the near future, my colleague will prepare a very smooth demonstration, so you can better benefit from such video tutorials from us. But for the beginning, which I just want to create this quick demonstration to get you easily to help you easily get started with the application. In the next clip, I will show you, introduce you some main features of the user manager and lesson builder tools. For now, thank you for listening, and hope this tool will be a useful application for your usage. Either you are the teacher, computer teacher, or you are the new computer learner. Thank you. Bye bye.